little gray pants and a little gray t-shirt. She just woke up from a nap. So she's cranky. She got a stuffy nose. Her sisters got her sick. But we have to go to Walmart. You say Walmart? Happy Friday, y'all. It's day 2 of my period, and I feel the way I look, which is just a mess. I'm wearing the pink oversized like terry cloth sweatshirt, and we're going to Walmart. Oh, the joys. All right, you guys, quick grocery haul. I picked up 4 of the strawberry banana Body Armor lights. These are my favorite flavor, the strawberry banana. I prefer the lights because of it's less sugar. Those were on sale for $1 each, so I went ahead and got 4 of those. I got some Doritos, some sugar, some Kool-Aid to go with the sugar, the taco seasoning pack. I'm in cinematic mode. Let me know how this looks, or if it gives you kind of a headache. Welch's fruit snacks, crunchy granola bars, goldfish, milk, tea, hot dogs, ballpark, some Conecuh sausage, those burgers that we like to eat, the bacon aged cheddar beef patties. Baby girl got some more formula. I'm gonna try out, because y'all know it's Friday, so it's Mexican night. I'm not going Mexican because Alex is at work, but I am gonna make some quesadillas, and I have some chips that were left over from Alex's party last week, so I got some salsa and cheese dip. So I'm gonna have Mexican night here, and I'm gonna try these two like mixed together, because that's the kind of margarita I like. I like the daiquiri I like is like a strawberry pina colada daiquiri. But I'm just gonna mix this over ice because I ain't got time. This was like $15. This was like $3, so I thought, why not? Bag of potatoes, some bread, chips for the kids, hamburger buns, hot dog buns, a cheese Danish for me for breakfast to go with my coffees, a big pack of the like Nutri-Grain bars. That's the Great Value brand. These were on sale for like $7 for 32, so I went ahead and got those for the girls, and plus they wanted to switch it up anyway from the normal granola bars I get. Got some Alfredo, got some salsa con queso, some more Rotel. I cook with Rotel a lot, so I pretty much pick these up every time I go to the store. Got some more salsa because all my salsa's gone. Got some shredded lettuce just so I don't have to cut up any lettuce tonight. Got some more nectarines because last week I bought some nectarines and they were really good. They were hard like these, but by the end of this week, me and Ivy were able to eat them. They softened up a lot. A yellow onion, Roma tomatoes, bananas, strawberries, blueberries, some more vanilla yogurt, beef for my quesadilla. I want to do beef quesadillas. The girls like cheese quesadillas, so that's them. I got the Dunkin' creamer. The extra is my favorite, like normal creamer, but I got the pumpkin munchkin, and I'm gonna see if I can make the pumpkin cold foam with this, like Starbucks does, to see if I can stop giving Starbucks my money. I don't really know what it all is in a pumpkin munchkin, but I mean, it just says that. Big old fall flavor, the taste of spiced cake and sweet glaze, inspired by the pumpkin munchkins donut hole treats. Never had those, so we're gonna give that a try. I also got the limited edition pumpkin cookie dough. The girls really wanted to try these. I'm scared, so I got a pack of the regular sugar cookies because I need me a cookie. So if those aren't good, I'm gonna eat those. But yeah, and then over here, this is like the non-food things I had to pick up. I got some more Diaper Genie refill, bag refills. I needed some more period panties. I also got the EOS Fresh and Cozy body lotion. And then I got the coconut coffee scrub and wash to go with that autumn shore set I got from Victoria's Secret. And I think this might smell good with that new scent, Moonlit Martini. So we'll see. And then I bought some more feminine wipes. So I'm about to put all this away, and then I'm gonna actually go take a shower and then come back in here and try to start cooking, because I just need a refresh. Like, I don't like to cook and eat when I feel like this. So all right, y'all, I feel so much better, but I just took pictures for my Pinterest. So this is what I used in the shower. I used the Tahitian Escape body wash by Suave. This is coconut milk and hibiscus. This is not, you would think this would be like a sweet smelling scent. This is more like a tangy, like sour type scent. Like, not sour, but like, it's not super sweet. It's like a tangy scent. I really like it when like I want, you know, some pretty neutral, nothing too sweet, nothing too much. I also used the Saltwater Breeze. I love using this when I'm on my period. This one has fresh linen, violet leaves, water blossom, and white musk. I also used the Cloud Musk by Mix Bar, and I cracked open the Fresh and Cozy. This smells so good. This one is Morning Light, Dewy Cassis, and Sheer Musk. And I used the Midnight Blue Citrus. I don't know the notes for this, but it's like a sweet citrus scent. So that's my body care while I'm on my period. You guys, I made the pumpkin cream foam. It's not orange because I guess the cream is not orange, but I'm about to give it a try. I just garnished it with some cinnamon. Now she mad.
As soon as she blew out, the Luger came out.
Ooh. All right, y'all. I'm trying out this Rare Beauty lip oil. I don't know if I like it. It's pretty, but I don't know. But this is what I have on. And for fragrance today, I'm not wearing any body spray or anything. I just did the Tease Perfume Original. I think this one's like pear, freesia, and vanilla. I just can't handle a lot of scent right now. So I don't know if I want to wear my hair like this. I kind of want to do like a top knot, because I don't know. Earrings are from a boutique in New Orleans. This necklace is actually from a boutique, I want to say across the street from this boutique in New Orleans. I don't remember the name. I'm just wearing a nice little dress. I'm just wearing a cute little dress I've had for years from Forever 21. Tory Burch flip-flops. Feeling really earthy with these twists. I don't know. Alex likes the updo. I do too. It looks good. So the scrunchies came from Amazon. I just did this one because I have like white and black going on. Face. Cute. Yeah. Since we're waiting on my mom, let's unbox. I'm gonna do my Kate Spade purse today. Let me show you what I got from Amazon. Okay. Oh, and this one. Oh, yeah. I bought this little travel jewelry box because I got some traveling to do coming up. And it's pretty much like the one I have right now in my closet, but it's travel friendly. And it looks like this. How cute is that? And then over here it has the little place for the necklaces, so earrings and like little things. So yeah, I got this. So cute. I want all my travel stuff to be black now. I bought a refill of the Rio Dio by Sol de Janeiro. Really like this scent. It smells so good. So I thought that whole thing was supposed to come out, and it didn't. So I gotta figure out how to put this in. And then I also ordered this mouse pad that they bent. It's a Kate Spade mouse pad, and I just want a new one. How cute is that? Can you see? It's just got like a little, I don't know, like bookshelf type look to it. My mouse pad is like dirty and peeling. So I bought that one. I need to order a pack of those like little box cutter things. I'm always nuts. We're gonna do a little project when I get home. We're gonna organize the fridge. I ordered this egg container. It holds 21 eggs. How cute is this for the fridge? And then I also ordered these Lazy Susans that I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to put together. This doesn't feel assembled. Oh, maybe it is. I ordered these clear Lazy Susans. This was like $11, and I think this pack of 2 was $20. And you're just gonna put, I'm gonna put it in there, and I'm gonna put sauces and stuff on here to like kind of organize the fridge, because we're a sauce family and we just have a bunch of sauces open at a time, and it's driving me bananas how the shelf looks. So yeah, we're gonna do that when I get home. All right, y'all, I'm in the car while waiting for my mom. Oh my gosh, y'all, putting this in your car, this is so good. The Dove hand sanitizer and the shea butter and warm vanilla scent. I love this. I just sit it right here in my cup holder, so when I get in, I just press, and I got me some hand sanitizer. I don't have to touch my purse and everything. It's like I feel weird going in my purse after the gas station and getting my hand sanitizer out and then sanitize my hands. Like I feel like now all the stuff's on my purse and like my, I don't know. So I like just having something ready available when I just get in my car. Got me some sparkling strawberry water. My doctor said that she don't care what I'm drinking as long as I'm drinking something. You hear me? So I got me something. It's water and it's seltzer and it's 0 calories, 0 sugar. I think it has sodium in it though, which is not good. This little piece up here is getting on my nerves. It won't stay put. But we are about to have a little mommy-daughter outing, shopping, of course. We're gonna go to first, we're gonna go from what I think is the most fun to the least fun. The most fun would be Bath and Body Works, then Ross, then Home Goods, and then Costco, because I need stuff from Costco. And like, I don't want to go to Costco because Costco is expensive, and it's stuff that like I don't want to buy. Like we need more paper towels, we need more meat. Like I just need stuff. So that's what we're going to do. But I want to get some I want to see if Ross has some cute little like travel. I want all my travel bags to be kind of like black, like those BB bags we saw like a few weeks ago. So they probably don't have those, but they had Betsy Johnson and stuff. I just want some cute like little like black travel bags, because the Bay's diaper bag is now about to be like my carry-on like bag, basically, that matches like my pink and black luggage. So yeah, it's no longer a baby bag, it's a mommy travel bag, and it's really cute. So black folks, we just love to say I'm outside. Girl, you is not outside because I am outside. If you were outside, you'd see me outside. You're not outside, you're up the street somewhere. But anywho, I don't even know what I was talking about. But yeah, that's what I want to look at. Oh, there she go. That's what I want to look for at Ross. And then where else? I said Ross, Home Goods. So Ross or Home Goods, I want to look for some new bed pillows for my bed. And yeah, that could come from Ross or Home Goods. And then Costco, and then we're gonna come home and we got stuff to do. We're probably gonna come home, shower, of course, and organize the fridge. Oh, and there's some Dollar Tree things that I have from Dollar Tree that I want to kind of try us to find something to do with it. I kind of have an idea, but I don't know if I can execute it, because I have these like little clear jars from the baby shower that I may want to put some pumpkins in and put like on the center console, like my center piece on my table, because my centerpiece on my dining table, like the dinette table, I guess you could call it, it has like a gold plate a pumpkin, and like just a Bath and Body Works candle. And like I kind of want something in the back that, like, you know, levels it out, just some height. I be looking at Pinterest too much to say how to balance your centerpieces or whatever. So I kind of want to do something like that. I'm not tackling the dining room during this vlog because I'm off next week, and we might do a true weekly vlog. Like I might vlog every day, but maybe not, probably not actually. But that's what I want to do on this vlog, is organize the fridge and stuff. So I don't know. My mom really does encourage me to like film in public, because I'd be like, I don't want to film. She'd be like, girl, if you don't pull that camera out, start filming. If you wanna grow, you gotta do some uncomfortable things. She's very confidence building. So she'll probably be like, pull that camera out. It's your phone anyway. I'm gonna try to be a vlogger. I just bought 2 candles, but I really want either the Praline Delight or the pumpkin cupcake. Made it to Ross. Look at this Kenneth Cole leather trench. Like I'm a vampire slayer. This is so cute. This with some jeans and maybe a long sleeve shirt underneath. Mark Anthony, New York. This is pretty. They have red. All right, they can be cute. These are nice. They look comfortable. A little cowgirl boot. Oh, these Guess shoes are so cute. So are these black ones. I love these. These are cute. These are 90s. They have the Thank You Next perfumes in here. That's the only thing I'm recognizing. Of course, they got that white diamond. They have Clinique Happy. I know Hugo, Paris Hilton. Nothing that crazy. So this is the loungewear. Oh, this is so cute with the little shorts. How much is this? This is it on there?
It's down.
There it is. $12.99. This is so cute with the little shorts. And then, oh, they have this one with the pants. I like these. I think this one's $15.99. Mom is looking at the little set like what I have. It's a little different. The JC is like, it's not juicy on the pants. It's like a JC right here at the top. How cute is that? For what, $15.99? I think I paid $15.99 for mine. Yeah.
I'm about to get this.
You gonna get the large?
Yes.
Yeah, Mom's in her skinny era. See, I want something like this color scheme, like in an area rug for my entryway, like a runner type thing. But I can't ever find this color. They have pillows. I'm thinking about getting these for me and Alex to replace our flat pillows. These are nice. Maybe something like this for the bed. These are $17.99. Because I have like the throw that's like this color. These are nice. I wonder if Alex liked these. I don't want to be getting people calls. Home Goods. They got Halloween. I've been filming in cinematic mode, so it just kind of makes it look video. Oh, there you go. Pretty. I really don't come here often, so I don't really know what I'm looking for. I don't want any Halloween. This is cute for an office. And these cute little chairs. Y'all, how cute is this? This is adorbs. Oh, look at this one with the red pumpkin. That is so pretty. These are pretty. Is that too much black? How much are these? $24.99. Just for one?
Yep.
Mm-mm. Look at this one. I need me like a little pack like this or something, because I ain't paying $25 for each pillow. Oh, these are cute. Is that too white? Oh, look at these, y'all. These are pretty. What about this one? $29.99 each. I can't do these prices, y'all. I can't do the. No, these are $19.99. These are the perfect size, but they don't have a color that I want. I like this, but I need one like a champagne color. I'm cutting my fruit up and I'm putting it in a jar because I told y'all my church member said that my fruit was turning because my fruit ain't, this is bad for it and it releases gases or something. So I just cleaned my blueberries. I need to put these strawberries in the bottom here. And I'm gonna put these in here too. I'll be dropping blueberries all over the floor. There has to be a better way. They fit. Okay, so I got my blueberries and my strawberries here. And I'm gonna throw this away. I got some more drawers, but I don't really have no more fruit. I mainly just buy blueberries and strawberries, so let me go close the Lazy Susans for the fruit and yogurt type stuff, just to organize the fridge. How cute. So turn and put it on here like this. Isn't that nice? I'm so excited. I knew everything wasn't gonna fit, but those are the little turntables. They look really nice. And then the eggs up here. So yeah, I like the way it turned out. Like, see? And you can just see everything that you have just about. And then just a little organization, because it just was a jumbled up mess where I couldn't see everything. I was buying doubles of some stuff and just, you know what I mean? You know what I mean. It's good. Okay, now I want to show y'all. Well, let me clean this up and I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Dollar Tree. Okay, so this is what I got from Dollar Tree. I got these little, like, I bought more than two. Go ahead, can you see? But I got these little, like, cloth pumpkins. They're like pillows. And I also bought this pumpkin with a P on it for Petty. Then I bought another one of these. So I think I'm gonna put this in the dining room. So I kind of wanted to do something with this, with the pumpkins in here, but they're a little big now that I'm looking at it. To like put on the table. I want to put something like right here. Man, it's kind of cute. I don't know. Oh, and then I also got this one that says Fall Blessings. And I think I'm gonna put that in that corner right there. So y'all come on. I was having her a smoothie. She just woke up. This might be too close. Yeah. Can y'all see? Turn the light on. Okay. I think I'm gonna do Fall Blessing up here. Kind of matches my like greenery farmhouse pumpkin look. And then the P. Oh, I don't know how I'm gonna hang you now, because unless I take this out. I don't really know how to hang it. Like, I need some twine or something like that one. Y'all don't judge me, but all I could find was white. So let me see if I can makeshift me a string. Venus. I don't even take a shower. I'm hot. And then I want to make like one of those, yeah, like one of these kind of knots. Okay, so I made a little knot and hopefully I can hide it. Yeah, hide the knot. So this is all you see, and my little thumbtack went flying. Cute, right? I like it. Do you like it? It's like a little fall moment over here in the corner. Yeah? Okay. Now I don't know how I want to do this, because what's wrong? I haven't finished her smoothie and now this is straight. What, Mama? What? What's wrong? Huh? You want to start yelling at me already? I just don't know, y'all. The pumpkins are like too big and they're gonna look smushed. Like if I put it in here like this, like a 3D smush pumpkin. I feel like that look a mess. I don't know what to do with these. Okay, they look less smushed with them in there like this. What do y'all think? I think that's cute. I mean, you get the idea. It's nothing super fancy. The other pumpkin placemats are in the wash right now. I also want to show y'all what I got from Costco. Me and my mom found these cute little shirt jackets for $11.99. How cute is that? It's like warm and cozy. I don't know why I got a 2X. I just like big stuff. Make me feel cozy and warm. Like I like extra slack. But I don't know. I just like the oversized slouchy fit. Isn't that cute? And then they also had these cute little tops for like $9.99. A little thermal top. I got like a neutral color to kind of match the, I think y'all would cricket. To match the shirt. And I thought this would be cute with jeans and like Uggs or even like leggings and like I don't know what I'm trying to say. Like little like loungewear type things. And then at Ross, I found, I think I showed y'all in the store, but the cute little lounge set by Juicy. Yeah, it's cute, right? It says Juicy right here with the little JCs all over it. Y'all know I work from home, so like little lounge sets like this are like perfect for me to, you know, not have on pajamas, but to also be very comfortable. I want to make sure I'm still recording. And I also got the cute little short set, even though it's about to get cold. But it's gonna be warm for a while. And I love the gray set I found at Ross with its racerback tank with the shorts. Love this. Like all my loungewear about to be Juicy Couture basically, because I get a set every time I see one. How cute is that? And that pink color. Love. It's like a lilac. Like a lilac color. And then at Bath and Body Works, y'all, I got this huge bag, and like I pretty much bought every set of the new fall. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. I bought the pumpkin cupcake candle. This one's whipped buttercream, Madagascar vanilla, pumpkin spice, freshly baked cupcake. It smells so good, so pretty and pink. So yeah, Thursday's video is gonna be like me reviewing all of the body care, but I'll show y'all just like an overview. Once I get out the shower, I'm ready to take a shower for real, and we can talk about it. All right, so this is how the table looks with the little green and khaki pumpkin. Rose likes the way the fridge is organized. She's over there like, wow. So you see the vibe? You see the vibe, right? Isn't that cute? I'm burning Honey Crisp Apple. We need to go through like my candle inventory because I don't think I need to get any more fall scents, basically. So I don't know if I shared with y'all that I was like on a quest to change out these pillows on my bed and on my sofa. I have two on my bed and like one on our sofa in our bedroom. And I don't know. I just cannot find what I'm looking for. It's like I'll know it when I see it, but like nothing worked. Like I did not. What I got at Home Goods what I saw at Home Goods, like they were good pillows, good size, all that. It just wasn't the right color because I feel like everybody does like tan, but ours is a different tan because it's like a neutral, like cool tone tan. And these pillows came with the sofa, which is why it just matches everything perfect. And I don't know if it's just because I've been looking at them for so long that like I feel like nothing else really goes. I wasn't happy with anything. I didn't get anything. But I did go ahead and get us these pillows. These are the Serta Zen Plush Serta Rest. I mean, it says standard queen bed pillow. So we need new pillows. I usually buy pillows from Walmart, but I was like, let me see what they have at Ross. And like they had these. So these were pretty good. I mean, these were pretty much the cheapest. Like everything else was like either $16.99 or $19.99. I'm used to paying like $5.99 per pillow, which in inflation they're probably like $7 or $8 now. So I felt like, you know, I was okay with $14.99 for some pillows. Hocus Pocus is on Hulu, but we finna finish Scandal, and I gotta watch a new episode of Only Murders in the Building. I love Steve Martin. So yeah, I bought these, and I'm gonna put them on bed. Yeah, got me some pillows. Turn the TV down, because I was watching back some of my vlogs, and I've been having the radio on, the TV on. Like, I was like, they can't get me with all that noise. But these are nice. They're soft. I'm basically just replacing our sleeping pillows. Because that's like the decorative pillow, the sham pillows. They're okay. Dang, they barely fit. Lay on here. Yeah, this is nice and strong. Okay. Alex is gonna say it's too soft. He's gonna say he feel like he's drowning or something. He don't like them to be too soft. But we need new pillows, period. Like, his is even flatter than mine. I'm like, no, sir. These pillows got to go. Yeah, I can't even see the tag on this mug, but this one right here say mainstay. And you can't stay here anymore. I'm ashamed. We've had these pillows for years, like probably since we moved out on our own. All right, so I might buy like another set later, but not right now. Let's look through my candle. But yeah, this is how I have the little sofa set up right here with these pillows. So I don't know. These are staying for now. Let me see. I keep my candles down here in this cabinet. Dang, I got more than I thought. Yeah, I don't think I need to buy any more candles. I don't think I need to buy any more candles. Is that all? Okay, so I have. Now I have pumpkin apple, pumpkin cupcake. So I got pumpkin cupcake, pumpkin apple, Oh, I forgot I had bought this during the semi-annual sale. The blends. This is the Black Cherry Merlot and Marshmallow Fireside. I thought I was gonna save this one for fall because it smells so good. I'll come over here and mess with my candles. She come over here to be nosy. And then I also bought White Pumpkin Oakwood. You gonna fall, mama. This looks good. And then I just have a backup of champagne toast because y'all know I love champagne toast, like when it's not like a specialty season during the springtime. And then I have a backup of coffee and whiskey. So, okay, yeah, I need to chill because I'm not gonna burn through all these. I need to figure out what's gonna be my next bedroom. I think I'm gonna burn this one in the bedroom, the Marshmallow Fireside. And I feel like White Pumpkin Oakwood could be the next living room scent. And then I feel like pumpkin. I like pumpkin apple and pumpkin cupcake for the kitchen because pumpkin cupcake just smells like you're baking goods. But pumpkin cupcake will also be a good living room scent too, or like entryway. Maybe I could burn this in the entryway. I usually put my wax melts out, but I guess when I want a little extra something, that would be good. But yeah, I basically have 6 candles, and like I don't need any more than that because I got to get through these, and you know I'm gonna want to get some Christmas. So this is it. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all. I have bought this one, the OGX Coconut and Coffee Scrub Wash. It smells so good. It smells like coffee. But I bought it to go with the Autumn Shore. So like I don't have a coffee type of scent. I'm trying to gather all my next systems for fall and like what body wash I'm gonna use with it. So, and just wrap my mind around it. I forgot to pick up Ivory and Cashmere body gel, shower gel. I didn't even see it, honestly. So I don't know. But as we can see, oh, I plan on using, let me show y'all what I bought. Am I gonna show y'all? Am I just gonna save it for the video? I basically got all the new scents. I have the shower running and everything, but basically I bought the Vanilla Blossom to go with this shower gel to go with this, like, because it's a fresh scent. I like to mix and match, y'all know. I bought the whole set of the Vanilla Bourbon, the new scent. I thought I got a, did I buy 2 of the same? These look the same. They're like slightly different. So this is the Vanilla Bourbon and the fresh Vanilla Blossoms. I just think this will complement together with it really well. Yeah, it'll give like together with a nice like airy kind of feel. Yeah, I like that. This is kind of like fresh and clean vanilla. It has notes of suede petals, soft sandalwood, and vanilla bean. So I just think those would be good layered together. I just got the mist and the body gel, and then I got the Vanilla Bourbon. This smells really good too. And I think I'm just gonna use this as a set anyway. I need to re-up on my body gels, but I got the cream because they didn't come in body lotion form. And this one smells really good too. This one's warm bourbon, dark fruit, and vanilla liquor. This is like dark smoky vanilla. This honestly might smell good with this. I'm gonna keep that in mind. And then I got you know, the sweet whiskey. I did get a Try Me scent. She saw that sticker on here. I got the Try Me Sunrise Woods. Somebody been spraying my spray, but I took the sticker off. But I got the Sunrise Woods spray. Sweet Whiskey Body Lotion, Sweet Whiskey Gel. The Moonlit Martini Spray, Copperfields Body Gel. But we'll go through all that soon. Okay. Trying to make sure all my stuff is in here. Because I will be going back if I don't have everything that I want. So I think I got everything that I want. Yeah. Yeah, I got everything I want. Okay, so I'm about to take a shower, y'all. Oh, and then I also have the Together Weather foaming scrub. So that's gonna be such a good system. I'm so excited. I am out of the shower. I used the Fresh Coconut and Cotton, and this is like down to like the last little bit. I'm kind of sad. I really like this scent. Love the mist. But yeah, and then I've also, I don't know if y'all know, but I have these little like twists in my head that I've been wearing, and I've been just putting in the Briogeo Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. So I just been like spraying this on my twist. I think I'm gonna take them down tomorrow because they're getting like small and like they're not as like plump as they were. They're getting like skinny and like the roots are just kind of frizzy. So yeah, I just did like a small protective style just to wear for a little bit, a couple of days, so I don't have to worry about it. So I don't know what I'm about to do. I think like just gonna chill and probably edit the clips that I have. That's what I need to do. The cookies are out of the oven. We're gonna try them. All right, we have our fresh baked cookie. You get half. So we're gonna try it together. How do it with 2 hands? Okay. Dang. Well, how is it? You done ate it.
Again.
Mmm. They're like gooey, cinnamony. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You know what pumpkin tastes like?
Yeah.
Me either. I don't know what pumpkin tastes like, so if it tastes like this, for good. Alright, y'all. I still have these twists in my head in a top knot. Got this little pilgrim dress from Ross when I was pregnant, but I was feeling real plain Jane today. I'm wearing that little stack that I got from Versona with my Amazon dupes. Makeup is just very natural, and a blotted red lip by Rare Beauty. Okay, and I have the pumpkin apple in the kitchen that we're using right now. It smells so good. This one is Red Delicious Apples, Fall Pumpkin, and Clove Buds. I like it, but Alex said it's really strong and it lingers on his hand a long time. He said he feels like he's washing he's washing his hands with a candle. So I was like, that's good, right? And he was just kind of like, So I don't know. I like it. But I don't know. I like vlogging. Household empties. I only have a few. The Cascade Original, it was 4 in here, and then the Platinum, it was 2 in here. We emptied the I really like this. This is Delta Home soap by Dollar Tree in the warm vanilla scent. And then I also had one in, I think, cedar something that I used on Alex's sink. He ran out of it. Emptied the Downy Ocean Mist scent boosters, and I also emptied my vanilla wax melts. So just a few things. Right now I'm about to go actually change the wax out in my wax warmer, so I'll do that with y'all. Actually, I legit make a mess every time I do this, so y'all bear with me. legit make a mess every time. I don't think you're supposed to empty it when it's hot. And then I just kind of wipe the sides with the napkin. Church was really good today. Let's do, okay, yeah. So we're gonna finish off the soft cashmere and amber. Actually, like right now. And this one has notes of bergamot, amber, citrus, sandalwood, patchouli, peppercorn, cassis, and moss. And then I have a backup of it, so I'm okay with that. And then we're also gonna finish off the vanilla cookie crunch. This one's shortbread cookie, buttercream, and vanilla scent notes. So these are empty too. Don't want to do any more. Depending on how this starts smelling, I might add a couple of the tropical pina colada. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and add them because I just like for the entryway to smell really good. And people always compliment our entryway. And plus, it goes into the scent goes into the living room as well. So I just like it. So I'm gonna do one square of the tropical pina colada just to add a sugary pineapple, cream, coconut, and sugar vanilla bean. So they all just kind of complement each other. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know this was kind of a longer one, but say bye bye. Bye bye.